There are instances when you have very strong confidence or experience about doing something. The question remains whether you want to start up a new company, or you want to create a website, or you simply want to set up a shop or create some kind of an on-ground experience. Starting a company is a sure way in case you feel very strong about associating with people. That's because you already have very strong confidence and your experience. It goes a long way for a person to begin forming a company. And what is a company? A company is an association of people, because company itself is a non-living entity and it needs to be run by the group of living people. And on this very fundamental concept, a company and the concepts of company and also the acts related to it that governs it are built. Formation begins with an idea, which we talked about, that you can have a very strong confidence about doing something, or you have an experience and you want to take it forward. All of those areas can be capitalized on. Formation begins with an idea to create a separate legal entity to carry out a lawful purpose. Now, you can feel confidence about what kind of people do you associate with, and answer yourself whether you want to just start up on your own, or you can pull in some other people. There are provisions of starting a company, either a one-person company, and you want to start by your own. If you have minimum 2 people, then you can have a private limited company set up. With the minimum members of 7 people, one can start a public company. Now, you can approach any CA and furnish the formalities related to applying for the name of the company first, and once it's approved, upon submission of documentation, one can get the certificate of registration, which will have the corporation identification number, which is called CIN. It takes a few days, so one should definitely keep aside certain days before starting up the business. While also registering, you will have to define your mission and vision statement into a document called Memorandum of Article, which is called MOA, and there'll be other nitty-gritties about operations and other details in a document called Article of Association. There are 2 authorities under which the incorporation of company is covered. One is Central Registration Center, which is mostly responsible for the name and initial formation. And upon allotment of the name, rest of the processes due to the jurisdiction falls under Registrar of Company, which is called ROC. And once the process is completed, one will be receiving Director's Identification Number, DIN, Digital Signature Certificates, there'll be PAN card number, there'll be GST number, and also one needs to open the bank account. This apart, one will have the assets like MOA and AOA, which would be the governing document for the company, beyond which a company cannot operate.